Welcome to Guided Calm. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. You may want to sit on a cushion on the floor, or it may be more comfortable to sit on a chair. You could even choose to lie down. If you wish, you can close your eyes. Now turn your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in silently, and then let the breath flow out quietly and fully, but without forcing anything. Allow your breathing to happen naturally. Feel the movement of your breath as it flows softly in and out of your nostrils. You might be able to feel how it is cool when you breathe in and warm as you breathe out. On your next breath, slowly breathe in, and as you do so, count 1. Then breathe out, and as you do so, count 2. Breathe in and count 3. Breathe out and count 4. Continue counting your breaths up to 10. When you reach 10, go back to number 1 and repeat the practice again. Just do this at your own natural pace. As you do this, if you find your mind wanders, it's okay. Minds tend to wander a lot, so it's very normal. Just notice that it has happened, and then return your attention to your breath and begin counting from 1 once again. If your mind has wandered, bring it back to the breath again and start your counting back at 1. And now, as we near the end of the session, bring your attention back to the room. Listen to any sounds around you. Wriggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed today's guided calm meditation and that this has brought some more calm into your day. I hope to see you back here tomorrow.